Winter starts to dwindle. As temperatures rise and the days lengthen, blossom and flowers are a sure sign that spring is just around the corner. This year, I tried not to miss out on this special season where nature renew its vibrance and allure the eyes of the people. We all love the sight of millions of delicate petals, along with the first warm rays of sunshine. Spring is a very special season, a time of renewal for the whole of the natural world, with its huge variety of trees, such as Japanese cherry and shrubs, flowers and mild climate. Southwest Germany is especially pretty at this time of the year. Consider Dammerstock as one of the places to look forward every springtime. Located in Ischwinkel Street in Dammerstock, a 10-minute walk from the Dammerstock train station, stands the numerous Japanese cherry trees. The street becomes a facade full of pink flowers. The scene appears so romantic and captivating. One can freely stroll from one end to the other. It feels like you're walking under the sea of pink flowers. This place is a perfect venue for a great photo opportunity. Cherry blossom is not only in Japan but also in Germany. The custom of cherry blossom has existed for several centuries, and this beautiful tradition has also been celebrated in some places in Germany for many years. The peak season of cherry blossom is usually between mid-April and the beginning of May. In some places, such as Schwetzingen in Baden-Württemberg, the blossoming of the cherry trees is precisely documented with a so-called blossom barometer. The blooming of the Japanese cherry blossoms is considered a special attraction in Schwetzingen, which regularly draws numerous visitors.
And before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Jhongix channel. Until my next travel, tschüss!